Hey internet, this is Bharat, your weekend farmer. Welcome to another fresh vlog. It's rainy season and it's that time of the year where people start with their paddy cultivation. I have decided to make a sequence of videos to cover the whole process. If you're new to this channel, do consider subscribing and turn on that notification so that you will get to know every time I upload a video. Let's go to the field and see how it's all done. Before we start with the farming process, let me talk a bit of history to this place. In Tulunadu, in olden days, the nomenclature for the fields were given in a unique way. The field in front of me is called Bakitimar or Bakimar, and the one on the right over there is called Mudaimar. These names are given based on some unique landmarks. There were remains of old palace here. Now the construction is going on to build a small part of it to offer prayers to the gods. So the front yard of the palace is called Bakimar, and the one on the right of the palace, that is over there, is called Mudaimar. Mudai, which directly translates to east in Tudu. Enough of the naming, now let's directly go into farming. There were huge trees and bushes at this part which were cut and put on the field. In the major part of the stems and branches were cut down. The root part was remaining. We tried burning them, but we had little luck because not all could be burnt. What to do was we had to manually move them out of the field. The time I'm shooting this video, all this work is done. So what I'll be doing is I'll show you all the work that has been done to make the field the way you are seeing it now. Well, this part of the mud pipe is removed, that is done, that one over there, that one is work in progress. As you can see, there are small pieces of roots and wood pieces which are remaining. We have piled them, this will be removed. The cleaning process is happening over there. It's almost complete. Once it's done, we'll start clearing these things. This was our vegetable garden for the summer. One end of the field is done cleaning. What we need to do next is set up the power tiller so that we can clean the field and till parallelly. So let's go set up the tiller.
సరే వరకు ఎక్కడే చెప్తాను
Okay guys, setup is ready. Let me try my luck on tilling. फिर कुछ Tilling was real fun. Do let me know in the comment section below if you need a dedicated video on how to operate a power tiller. Day 1 is done. Let's continue the work tomorrow. It's a very huge field. Work here happens parallelly. What we do is we start clearing the field from one end, so that once it's done we can start tilling. We can see how that end had been cleared first and we completed tilling. Now this part is pending. So what we do is we start tilling from the other end. So by the time that tilling gets completed till here, this structures will be removed and this part will be cleaned. So without wasting much time, let's go clear this. Cleaning is done, round 1 tilling is done, and this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. If you had stayed this long, do consider subscribing to my channel. It will be a great support from your end. The upcoming processes will be covered in the sequence of videos to come. So thank you for farming with me today. Take care. Jai Hind.